Hey there! Having issues with your Toast terminal, display, or guest display? Before contacting customer care, try these quick troubleshooting steps first. If your device does not power on when holding the orange power button on the back, follow these steps. If your terminal is connected to the wall, first check for a green light on the adapter on the power supply cable. If there is no green light present, try another known working power outlet or try connecting your device using a working USB power adapter, like a laptop charger. If you do see a green light, open the base cover on the back of your display or the base of your Flex 3 terminal to confirm cables are correctly connected and the thumb screw is completely tightened. Each time you plug your cables back in, be sure to hold down the orange power button to turn the device back on. You will know the device is powering on when the front-facing LED blinks white. If your terminal is connected to the printing hub, check the power indicator light on the printing hub. You'll want to check that the printer power LED is lit and the terminal connection LED is lit and green. If the printing hub terminal LED is orange, this indicates that your terminal is currently powered off. To turn it back on, hold the orange button on the back of the terminal. If there are no lights on the printing hub, check the printing hub power supply for a green light. If the device is not receiving power, try another working outlet or working cable. If both the printer and power supply lights are green and the terminal still isn't turned on, be sure the terminal is powered on by holding the orange power button. Finally, try unplugging the printing hub USB cord from the terminal and plugging it back in. You will need to turn the device on again by holding the power button. If you've tried these steps and still have no power to your terminal, contact the Toast customer care team for additional support. If your touch screen is not working properly, start by rebooting the device. To do this, hold down the power button for 7 seconds. You can release it when the LED light begins to blink white. You will know the terminal has rebooted when the Toast logo appears. If rebooting doesn't solve your issue, try performing a factory reset. Press the circle button to open the Toast launcher. Navigate to Settings and Tools, Device Settings, System, Reset Options, Erase all data, and then erase all data again. Having issues with your terminal's internet connection? Try these troubleshooting steps. First, check the top right icon on your terminal to make sure you have a connection. 3 icon types will indicate a connection. 1 for a connection to Wi-Fi, 1 for a connection to Ethernet, and 1 for a connection via USB. If none of the above icons are displayed, remove the base cover to unplug and inspect your cables. If any cable is damaged, you may need to replace it. Be sure to reconnect any cables you've disconnected securely. If your device is connected to a printer, we recommend viewing our printer troubleshooting video for more troubleshooting. If your device is connected to Wi-Fi, navigate to our network troubleshooting video. And finally, if you're connected via Ethernet, try the following steps. Confirm your cables are properly connected, then reboot the device by holding the orange power button for 7 seconds. Once the device reboots, check the connection by opening a web browser and visiting toasttab.com and ensuring the page loads. If this does not solve your issue, try checking your Ethernet settings. On your device, navigate to Settings, Ethernet 0 USB, or Ethernet 1 RJ45. Here, you'll want to confirm that your IP is set to DHCP instead of static, and make sure Ethernet is toggled on using the toggle bar at the top of the screen. Finally, for devices using a wired connection, confirm that WLAN and Wi-Fi are not both enabled. Check the connection again by opening a web browser and visiting toasttab.com. Having issues with your guest display? Try these quick troubleshooting tips. First, press the orange power button on the back of the guest display to ensure the device is turned on. Then, confirm in the terminal quick settings that the guest display brightness level is not set to its lowest level. Next, let's check your cables. Check that the green USB cable is properly connected to the terminal by securing the screw and the guest display. Also, confirm that the cable is not damaged. If your guest display is still not working, try power cycling the terminal by holding down the orange power button for 7 seconds. If you're having trouble with a card reader or other accessory like a scanner that's connected to your guest display, start by checking the connection. You'll want to be sure all cables are securely connected to the ports of the guest display. Next, confirm the green 90-degree USB cable is properly plugged into the bottom of the guest display and the guest display screen is showing an image. Finally, try disconnecting and reconnecting the accessory from the guest display and disconnecting and reconnecting the guest display from the terminal. If the accessory is still not working after reconnecting, try power cycling the terminal by holding down the orange power button for 7 seconds. You can release when the LED blinks white and the Toast logo appears. If you are having trouble with a non-Toast accessory, we recommend reaching out to that provider for additional troubleshooting. If you're still having issues with any of the topics mentioned in this video, please search Toast Online resources for more troubleshooting tips or contact our customer care team for additional support.